Hey guys, I've spoken to you about a few oils for relaxation before from a physical standpoint. In this video, I want to share the oil of relaxation from an emotional and energetic standpoint, and that is Aromatouch. It's the oil of relaxation. And so, if you know anyone or you yourself feel tense, stressed, rigid, unable to relax, or inflexible, this could be a valuable oil to incorporate into your daily health habits, your daily self-care. Okay, it can help you move towards feeling more relaxed, balanced, flexible, comforted, open-hearted, and open-minded. So Aromatouch assists the body in calming, relaxing, and releasing physical tension. On an emotional level, Aromatouch moves an individual from stiffness of heart and mind to openness and flexibility. This blend is soothing to both body and mind and offers comfort in times of grief and sorrow. Most people seek out massage when they're tense or stressed. Through bodywork and massage, individuals are able to relax tight muscles. Breathing may begin to regulate, slow, and deepen. As the body relaxes, so does the mind. As muscles release tension, the heart can reopen to life. Circulation is enhanced, as is one's ability to move with life and allow things to flow. This is the gift of Aromatouch, the ability to relax, open, and move in harmony once more with the body and with existence. So this is a beautiful oil from a self-care perspective to incorporate, as well as to help ease physical tension and discomfort. So how are you going to use it? You can simply put a drop in your hands, rub them together, and inhale. Oh my gosh, it's like a spa. You can diffuse this oil, you can apply it to the body. I would choose to apply it over the heart center, or if you're feeling stiff-minded, you might apply it right here or to the top of your head, any pulse points, to the bottom of the feet, and I would definitely apply it to the spine and back of neck. So obviously I'm saying a lot of places, but those are the different options for you if you want more relaxation, not just physically, but emotionally as well. If you like this video, hit the heart and follow me for more emotional, energetic tips, tricks, and daily lifestyle hacks to help you feel better in your health and wellness.